Good morning. So hi everyone. I'm the stage manager for Romeo and Juliet. It is my misfortune to inform all of you that due to unforeseen circumstances, we will not be able to go on with today's, whatever it is, performance.
Wait! Can't stop the show.
Why not?
You will deny the world the privilege of singing it. Oh my God. What I believe my colleague is trying to say is the cast has worked way too hard on this show to just quit right at the finish line. What he said, you mean it.
Well, are we doing this show or not? I've got pyrotechnics and fog ready to go off backstage, and I want to know if I'm using them or not.
Fog? Pyrotechnics?
You do realize we're doing Romeo and Juliet?
Yeah, and?
Where in the show do we ever use fog?
I don't know, where they all live happily ever after?
Happily ever after? Do you even know what story you're talking about? Have you even read the script?
Yeah, right. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've never even read the script, not even once. So until then, I'm just gonna wing it.
Okay, why in the wide world of sports haven't we started this show yet?
Yeah, get to work, you slacker.
Well, ma'am, sir, ma'am, we would be getting to the show right now, but you see,
There have been some minor complications.
Complications? What do they mean by complications?
hey, anyone see Mercutio?
And Tybalt?
We can't find either of them. Some other people are missing too. We were supposed to start 5 minutes ago.
Well, that's where things are getting complicated. A few of the actors are missing, and as for those two...
Dear Facebook, my brother and I have won 2 all-paid paid trips to Cuba. We'll be gone for at least the next few weeks. That is, if we possess the wants to come back. Zero, never.
Well, that just sucks.
Both of us.
Yeah, can't do the sentence with a preposition. What?
Ditching our castmates for a trip to Cuba is sucky behavior, but there is no excuse for Rebecca.
Sorry you're late. Will decided to carpool and traffic was murdered. But we are here now. What did we miss?
Well, we were just about to cancel the show. So call it.
I'm very sorry, everyone, but I regret to inform you that we will not be able to go on with the show.
Wait, now hold on, guys. We may be 2 minutes short. We may be unable to do the show as rehearsed. Yeah. We may be like 2 seconds of falling flat on our faces. Where is it going with this?
You're trying to rally the troops together.
Oh, yeah. And we're in theater. And we live by one rule and one rule only. And that is the show must go on.
Yeah, right.
Now hold up, everybody. Would you please give us a few moments so when we come up with the plan? Alright, Big Mouth, you got us in this mess. What do we do now? What are you asking me for? I'm only provide us inspiration. It's up to those 2 to come up with a plan.
Okay, I got
Okay,
this.
she lost it.
Alright, let's see. Romeo and Juliet. Space? No, it's stupid. Romeo and Juliet in Venice Beach. No, that's even dumber. Okay, alright, let's see. Can't do West Side Story because that will take forever to rehearse. And then we have to go back and give their money back. Okay, okay, I don't got this.
Okay, she doesn't lost it.
How are we going to rewrite such a great script?
I got it. The most brilliant moral with the most brilliant play to ever happen. Back to the huddle.
But where are we going to find that much cantaloupe?
No, an actress in my board will not use the pun using the word but in it.
You're going to do what with the pineapple? Oh, let's use Panda. Everybody loves Are you sure it's not too late for me to quit? Yes! Okay, jeez.
Okay, I think we got it. All right, well, Cassie, the show's in your hands now.
Don't mess it up.
Places, everyone, places. Alright. Hello. Good morning. Afternoon. We're about to start the show in just a bit. They wanted you to stall until they're ready backstage. So how are you all doing? Good. Weird weather we're having lately, huh? Like, it's all sunny one day and then the next it's all rainy. Yeah. Hope you guys like the show that we're gonna put on. So yeah.
You know, I'm boring to death. We're ready back here.
Great. Okay, everybody, sit back, relax, and enjoy whatever this is.
Two households, both alike in dignity. In quaint Chinatown, where we lay our scene, from ancient grudge break to new mutiny, where civil blood makes civil walks unclean. Enter Romeo, son of Montague, heir to the Montague dojo. Master of 5 ways, and just an overall cool guy.
What's up? That's not Romeo. You're not telling the story right.
You'd be right if I were telling Romeo and Juliet. But I am telling Romeo Does Backflips, a kung fu action love story.
Hi, Mom.
A kung fu action Panda love story. Now go away, I'm telling the story. Romeo was depressed.
Romeo! Why are you crying like a little girl?
She's gone.
Who's gone?
My sun, my moon, my stars. She who made ours breathe in her company and longing are passing. Without her, I'll never be happy again.
Do you have any idea what she's saying? He just got dumb.
Uncertain. Was I too cool? Was my hair too perfect? Were my sick ninja moves too sick?
Was your ego too inflated?
What did you say?
Nothing, sir. Nothing at all.
Thought so.
Romeo, let me be frank. You need what's the word? A hobby?
You're right.
Yes.
I've been spending all this time pining over my ex when I should be
Yes.
finding another woman to fill in the hole she has to my heart.
No.
He was so close.
They messed it up.
Come on, gentlemen. Time to shalal off him. After lunch, of course.
Romeo is a nice, polite, adorable, consummate gentleman, not a womanizing jerk.
Calm down, just try to enjoy the show.
Fine, but I'm not going to like it.
Anyway, enter Juliet, daughter of Capulet. Her father owns all of the rip-off Chinese fast food franchises in the city. Rivals to the Montague for some unknown reason. What? You don't even say it in the real script.
So Johnny asked me if I would go out here. I said I would if I lost all sense and self-respect. I'm going to say it's gone body.
Ouch, that hurt me.
I can take it. So you're saying there's a chance?
They saw each other from across the room. They had never met before. They were like two hummingbirds who had also never met. They spoke little, but what they said was inspiring.
I'm Romeo. Call me.
Okay.
They were instantly and inexplicably in love,
I am instantly and inexplicably in love.
but it wouldn't last.
Dude, you scaffolded it. He's such an montague.
It was tragic. Romeo sought advice from the wisest person he knew.
Hey sis, I need some help.
Oh, what is it this time?
I'm in love.
Really? That's the third time this week. Who was she this time?
Juliet from the House of Capulet.
Really, Romeo? Can't you ever fall in love with some nice, normal girl sans the drama?
I can't help it. I was written a handsomely tragic lead. It's my destiny.
Well, Mr. Destiny, try not to do anything too stupid.
I make no promises.
Well, I tried.
Despite all the advice their family and friends gave them,
Juliet, you shouldn't talk to John. He's a player. You'll just get heartbroken. He loves me, he loves me not. I'm sorry, I'm just something. Forget it.
they continued to meet in secret.
Have you seen Romeo? Romeo!
And it was okay for a bit, but then things happened. Bad things.
I want a panda.
All right, babe.
No, Uncle Bill! That drug took my sister's panda!
Here you go, babe.
Romeo was then banished.
This isn't how it happened at all.
My story.
For the crime of panda theft, Romeo is hereby banished from Chinatown.
No!
But she had a plan. She was going to fake her death to be with Romeo.
Word!
Wrong play.
She did, and it would have worked, but she didn't tell Romeo about this.
Hey, babe, big misunderstanding. I'm not banished. I just need her by her new panda salon. No!
So he did the only logical thing one can do.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Juliet eventually woke up.
What a lovely nap. OMG, Romeo!
She freaked out at first, but decided to make the first reasonable decision in her life.
Kill myself!
Call an ambulance.
That's good too. Hello, my dead ex-boyfriend is dead. Could you pick him out of my room before he stinks up the place? Okay, thanks. Shakespearean characters who are necessarily tragic. Come on, let's go and laugh here. Grab a leg. Thank you for your business. Hope to see you
And she lived on to have a normal, fairly stable life. The end. decided to change it. Tragic endings only go good with tragic shows.
But without their deaths, the story would have no meaning. What's the moral lesson that should be learned here?
What? The cure to family brawling is teenage angst? No, thank you.
So what? Were the last 20 minutes just to demonstrate the fine?
Not exactly.
So what was the moral?
Romeo and Juliet is a stupid story.